Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be going over Knife of the Week. We're going to be honoring Mr. Glenn. He loved this brand of knife under the Schrade umbrella, so to speak. It is the Uncle Henry, and this is a 227 UH, and this is the 127 UH. We're going to look at them both. He kind of liked the 227 better, but he did also like the 127 because it was a lock blade. But we're going to be looking at these two knives up close. I just bought these two knives in the collection. I went over to Millbrook, Alabama, and met Mr. Lamar and Marie. I met awesome folks I bought the collection from, but I went over there to Millbrook, bought these two knives in the collection. We're going to be looking at them up close here. This is the 227 UH right here. It's got a lanyard hole. It's got stagline handles, but it's got a clip blade, and it's also got a skinning blade. This is what they refer to as a folding hunter. Very, very cool knives. They're brand new sheaths. I have boxes for both of these knives. Absolutely gorgeous knife. They have Schrade Plus on there. You see it's still got the factory grease, but Schrade Plus means it was made after 1981. Both stainless steel blades, high carbon stainless steel blades. But this right here is the 127 UH. And what I kind of like this one the best because it has a lock blade and it's really skinny, or it's slimmer than the 227 UH right here, as you can see. A lot lighter too, but I like the clip blade. This blade here, you can actually skin. I shouldn't say better, but it's made for skinning. But you can also skin with that clip blade just as well, to me. But what I like about it is the lock blade. So y'all let me know which one you choose if you had a choice. Because I know which one I choose. I choose this one here. But I do like the 227 UH too. But again, both of these knives Mr. Glenn loved. He loved the Uncle Henry brand under the Schrade company. But where Uncle Henry comes from is Henry Bear. Henry Bear and... just let me get the book real quick. Let me get the book. Here it is right here, guys. The book. Official Price Guide to Collector Knives. The 15th edition by Houston Price. A lot of people still ask me about this book. It's hard to find. And when you do find it, it's pretty expensive. But here's what it says right here. Schrade Cutlery Company remained under the ownership and leadership of the Schrade family until 1947. That's when it was a Schrade Cutlery Company. When brothers Henry and Albert Baer, B-A-E-R, of Ulster Knife Company, they also owned Imperial Knife Company at the time, bought the company. The company's name and knife stamps were changed at the time to read Schrade Walden. Okay. 10 years later, production of the company's knives was moved to Ellaville, New York. Although the Walden factory was closed, most of the employees remained with the company, and many of them were transported daily by bus from Walden to Ellaville. Wonder how far that is from Walden to Ellaville. I'd love to know. Hang on one sec. Okay, it says it's 20 miles right there. It would take by bus about 31 minutes. Not too bad. But there's Ellaville up here, and there's Walden down here. So they had to take a bus ride up there every day once the knife company moved to Ellaville. So 20 miles. That ain't that bad. So, but they transported them by bus. Ain't that cool? But then it just goes on to tell you to tell us, guys, that in 1984, the Imperial Knife Company, also owned by the Bear family, was merged with Schrade Walden to form the Imperial Schrade Corporation. After a full century of cutlery production, Imperial Schrade suddenly closed its doors in 2004, and the company's assets were dispersed. So there you go. But Schrade Walden, they were using that up to 1973. And in 1974, they went to Schrade. As we see, it was just Schrade USA. But after 81, they went to that Schrade Plus because they was using a high carbon stainless steel blade, and that's what that Schrade Plus means. So from 81 up is when you see that Schrade Plus. So very cool stuff, guys. I love this book right here. But Albert or Henry Bear is where Uncle Henry come from. And this line, these lines here, the Uncle Henry line or brand was started in the early 60s. And it'll be right here when that brand was started, along with Old Time. Old Time will be right here. But just some good stuff, guys. But Mr. Glenn loved these Uncle Henry knives. He really did. I think he liked the blue Victorinox a little better, though. But he really loved the Uncle Henry brand. He just loved the way they looked. He certainly would love these two. He would be wanting me to sell them to him, but I'd probably end up giving him one if he was still here today. But he loved these knives, the Uncle Henry brand, but he loved the folding Hunter, as you can tell in this video right here. All right, Glenn, pull out your favorite knife you got on you. Oh, he just bought that yesterday. It is an Uncle Henry Schrade, and I believe it is a 227. Check that thing out. Ain't it beautiful? It needs to be cleaned up. We're going to put a leather strap on here. We're going to go real quick on these knives here. We'll check that blade out. It just needs to be cleaned up. Beautiful knife. Well, guys, I was going to show my grandson today, but he will be in the video sometime this week. So be on the lookout for him, me giving him two knives. I think he's busy right now, but we will be getting him in the video sometime this week on me giving him his knives. But anyway, guys, I just want to appreciate again all the thoughts and prayers from Miss Heather and family for Mr. Glenn over the past 2 years. All the gifts y'all have given him. And again, guys, if y'all want to give flowers, it will be right here. Just call Miss Kim or Miss Kay, and they will take your order and just give them what you want to spend. They'll make something, put a card on it, and if you want to buy a live plant, they'll do that too. So just letting y'all know. Well, anyway, guys, again, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for all the support, all the stuff y'all did for Mr. Glenn. And I just want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. What's up, big man? How you doing? Good morning to you. Ain't gonna hurt you. Like little dinosaurs, huh? Geese.